What's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Here we have a gorgeous 05 Wrangler TJ four-wheel drive hardtop. This Wrangler has 102,000 original and documented miles. Absolutely beautiful Wrangler. We just got this in. This is a pre-listing. All we've done to this Jeep so far is brand new wheels and tires and locking lug nuts. It's getting ready to go through our service department here, and we're going to service as needed the rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, complete driveline, front differential, transmission, transfer case, rear differential, go through the steering and brakes and everything else. So just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of it before we brought it into the shop. As you see, the exterior, I mean, it's been raining all day, but you'll see the paint is in beautiful condition all the way around. We did go up a couple sizes larger. It's a 265/75 16 tires, so slightly over a 31. Gives it a nice beefy look. But the paint, and we have not paint corrected this or polished it. I mean, it's in beautiful, beautiful condition. So once we go through and actually polish the paint, it's going to look that much better. During our pre-listings like this, even though they're just to show everyone what we have, the vehicle is for sale. On our website, davisautosports.com, you will see the full spec sheet on this Jeep as far as what we're doing to it. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.